Okay, it is going. It did not beep. Anyways. Hi, Joe. Georgia. I'm trying to butcher words again. It's August 21st. I don't want to go back to school. But anyways, thanks to one of our random viewers. I'm sorry if I pronounced your username wrong. I'm still new to this. But J1995ism, thank you for the idea for trying to make things more interesting. You suggested spell challenge, which I actually played with a little bit. I don't know why we didn't think of this before. So thanks again. So anyways. Just sounds like I have throat flatulence. Ah, it's cold. Throat flatulence. My body was not ready for that. But anyways, nothing else is going on today. As usual. Probably gonna go hang out with my sister. She has today off. Yeah. I don't know what we'd do. I mean, we could probably watch a movie or something. But yeah. You know what's really stupid? Is I went onto our school's website to figure out when, we get to go and register or whatnot, and they don't have it up. So I'm not sure if high school is different. It's only year 2 for us. So we don't have freshman orientation, so I don't know what's going on. Good job, school district. They are poops. But anyways, I don't know. I might go chase around my cat some more. And all that good stuff. So anyways, see everybody on Friday.